If you're choosing between the Alto TS415 and Yamaha DBR15, this isn't just PA speaker versus PA speaker. It's raw power and value versus reliability and cleaner sound. So which speaker is actually better? Let's break it down. The Alto TS415 focuses on maximum value and loudness. It delivers strong bass, modern DSP controls, Bluetooth streaming, and a very aggressive price for a 15-inch powered speaker. For DJs, house parties, and casual live events, it gives you a lot of volume for the money. But here's the catch. While it's loud, the sound can become less refined at higher volumes, especially in the mids and vocals. The Yamaha DBR15 takes a more professional approach. It's known for clean vocal clarity, reliable performance, and durable construction, which is why many live performers and event organizers trust Yamaha speakers long-term. The tuning sounds more balanced and controlled compared to the bass-heavy Alto sound. The downside is features and price. It doesn't include modern extras like Bluetooth, and you usually pay more for less spec sheet power. So which speaker is better? Choose the Alto TS415 if you want maximum loudness, stronger bass, and the best value for DJs or parties. Choose the Yamaha DBR15 if you want cleaner sound, better reliability, and stronger live performance quality. Bottom line, the Yamaha DBR15 is the better overall speaker in terms of sound quality and long-term reliability. But the Alto TS415 delivers far more value per dollar, and for casual events or DJ use, it can actually be the smarter buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.